In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add professional Vimeo videos to Gamma, and we'll complete this in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's ensure you're comfortably logged into your Gamma account. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and open up Gamma. This will be your playground for creatively showcasing your video content. It's important to have everything set up and ready to go before we dive into adding any content. Next, let's focus on selecting the specific video you want to feature. Head over to Vimeo where you can find an incredible range of videos. Once you've settled on the video that aligns perfectly with your project, it's time to grab its shareable content. Search for your chosen video on Vimeo, and once you've located it, look for the share button. This feature is quite user-friendly and prominently displayed on the video player. After clicking the share button, you'll see options to either copy the URL or grab the embed code. Both methods will work great, but the option you choose depends on how you want your video to be integrated. The URL is typically easier and faster if you're going for simplicity, while the embed code offers a bit more control over the display properties. Now, turning our attention back to Gamma, let's move forward with embedding that video on your site or presentation. Navigate to the section within Gamma where you envision your video adding the most value. This might be a landing page, a blog post, or any other interactive area of your project where rich media will shine. Once you're in the right spot, all that's left is to paste the Vimeo URL or the embed code into the video section. You should find an area designated for video content, which makes this process smooth. It's just a quick paste here, and voila, your video is integrated. This method tends to maintain the quality and professional appearance of your content, enhancing the viewing experience. The final step is crucial: saving and sharing. Always check how your video looks before finalizing any changes. This preview ensures everything appears exactly as you expect it to. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit save. Don't forget to share your work with others. After all, sharing is caring, especially when it comes to high quality content you've invested time in curating. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've brought your Vimeo video to life on Gamma. This technique is not only efficient, but enhances your project's appeal with the professional edge Vimeo videos are known for. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and happy creating.